So again, I Anjum Bhati Nirban welcomes you to join the class of English grammar. So class, as you all know, yesterday we have learned formal letter, okay? We have learned what is letter, types of letters and format of formal letter. Today we are going to learn format of informal letter, okay? So first, I would like to tell you what is letter, then I will again explain you types of letter, then format of informal letter, okay? So first, let's start. What is a letter? A written or printed message that you send to somebody through post or courier, okay? That is letter. Letter has two types, formal and informal letter. Yesterday we have read about formal letter. Today we are going to start informal letter. Informal letter we use for personal communication like family, friends, or it should be written in casual and emotional tone. Okay class? हम इनफॉर्मल लेटर के बारे में आज पढ़ने वाले हैं और इसमें क्या पढ़ेंगे इनफॉर्मल लेटर कहाँ यूज होता है पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन ओनली फॉर पर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन व्हिच इंक्लूड्स फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स and the language should be casual or emotional too. Okay class, so first the format of informal letter. As you all know, in our formal letter there were many types, okay, many parts, okay, but in informal letter you are able to see over here 1 2 3 4 5 6, only 6 things we need to concentrate. Okay, first what we'll do, sender's address. Okay, in this letter we'll write sender's address. Sender, who is sender? The person who is writing a letter. Then date on which you are writing a letter. उस दिन की date लिख रही है जिस दिन आप letter लिख रहे हो. Then salutation. Again there is a salutation. Salutation क्या होता है? आप सभी को पता है. Salutation is a kind of greeting. Okay. So in this salutation, what we'll do? Dear friend. What will write? Dear friend. हम sir और madam नहीं लिखते हैं. यहाँ पर dear father, dear mother, dear friend, dear sister. Okay, because we are sending the message to our family members. Okay. Then what will come? Body of letter. In this, introduction, main content and summary, same things. Okay, and I'll explain you the body of informal letter. अब हमें कैसे लिखना है body of informal letter. Same things are there as formal letter, but there are some points to remember. There should be casual tone. Okay, कॉन्ट्रैक्शंस यूज होने चाहिए. कॉन्ट्रैक्शन मींस आई हैवंट, हम ये यूज कर सकते हैं रादर देन आई हैव नॉट. इसको हम ना यूज करें, हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म भी यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, आपने अपनी ग्रामर बुक में पढ़ा हुआ है शॉर्ट फॉर्म्स, तो हम ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म यूज कर सकते हैं. कौन से लेटर्स में? इनफॉर्मल लेटर्स में. एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंस हम यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, एक्टिव वॉइस में हम बात कर सकते हैं. एंड देयर इज नो स्ट्रिक्ट रूल. हम जब फैमिली मेंबर्स को कोई लेटर भेजते हैं तो देयर इज नो स्ट्रिक्ट रूल. कोई भी स्ट्रिक्ट रूल नहीं होता है. जैसा हमें किसमें ध्यान रखना होता है? फॉर्मल लेटर में. फॉर्मल लेटर में तो बहुत रूल होते हैं, हमें रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशन का ध्यान रखना पड़ता है बिकॉज वो अदर अथॉरिटीज को, ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को जाते हैं. ओके, तो देयर शुड बी प्रॉपर फॉर्मेट. ओके, बट हियर वी कैन राइट according to us. Okay, then complimentary clause. In complimentary clause, remember one thing, we need not to write over there thanking you. Okay, because it is our family member, so we'll read yours lovingly. Okay, your friend. Okay class, then we'll write sender's name. Who is sender over here? Again, suppose I am writing the letter, so I'll write my name. Okay, so here only one, sender's addressing, date, salutation, body of letter, complimentary clause and sender's name. Okay class, so I have an example of informal letter. So example write like this: write a letter to your friend Rudra. Suppose you have a friend named Rudra, you need to write a letter to him. What you are writing over there? Inviting him to spend the summer vacation. You have to invite him to spend a summer vacation at your place in Mumbai. Okay, and who you are? You are Sakshi or Saksham. Girl will use Sakshi and boys will use Saksham as a name. Okay, so here again I'm reading the question. Write a letter to your friend Rudra, inviting him to spend the summer vacation at your place in Mumbai. You are Sakshi or Saksham. Okay class, one thing I'll tell you, यहाँ तो मैंने mention किया हुआ informal letter, but जैसे ही आपको letters दिखाई देंगे और आपको पता लगता है कि friend को भेजना है, family member को भेजना है, तो आपको तुरंत get करना है कि that is informal letter. Okay. So answer like this. First, what we need to write over there? Sender's address. Means if I am Sakshi or Saksham, so I'll write my address over here. 129 Navayug apartment, Pitampura and Delhi. This. ये मैंने name दे दी. Okay. Then date on which I'm writing the letter. Okay. Then my friend name is Rudra. So I'll write the salutation as Dear Rudra. Okay. Then I'll start the body of letter, what I need to tell him. Okay. So here, it's been a while since I have heard from you. Where have you been? मैंने तुम्हारे बारे में नहीं सुना है, बहुत टाइम हो गया, आप कहाँ हो इतने दिनों से? I hope this letter finds you in best of your health. I hope you will be very happy, you will be glad to receive my letter. Okay, that is introduction only. Then as summer are approaching, now we need to write main content over here. As summers are approaching, जैसा कि summer आने वाले हैं, I was thinking if we could spend the summer breaks together at my place in Mumbai. So what he's saying that I'm thinking that we should spend summer breaks together at my place. और कहाँ है place? In Mumbai. Okay. I will introduce you to all my friends and close relatives, where I will introduce you with my friends, with my all relatives. Okay. I will give you a city tour as well. और मैं तुम्हें मेरी city में भी घुमाने वाला हूँ. We will spend some quality time in the afternoon near the sea shore. हम sea shore के पास में हमारा afternoon का बहुत quality time भी हम spend करने वाले हैं वहाँ पर. To add cherry on the cake, और कुछ interesting बनाने के लिए, that is आप क्या कहेंगे proverb, to add cherry on the cake means अब इसको और भी interesting बनाने के लिए the weather here is very pleasant during those days due to the sea wind. Okay class, that is our main content. Then I'm excited. Now summarize it. I'm excited even at the thought of you and I spending the summer together after so long. I have to tell you a lot of things and expect to some from you. कि मुझे आपसे मिलकर और भी बातें बतानी है और आपसे भी मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ. Friend को कह रहा है. Okay, give my regards to auntie and uncle. Okay. Then we need to write over here complimentary clause. And what is complimentary clause? Yours lovingly. Now class, I will tell you over here one condition. If I added here s with your, okay, जब हम your के साथ s add करते हैं तो हमें we need to add over here ly. Okay, हमें इसको ly भी add करना है यहाँ पर. Okay, अगर हम यहाँ s add नहीं करते तो हम यहाँ ly भी add नहीं करेंगे. Okay, that is the rule. Okay, then what is the name of sender? Sakshi or Saksham. Then we'll write Sakshi or Saksham. Okay, here we have completed our informal letter. Let's quickly revise our informal letter. What is letter first? A written or printed message that you send to somebody through the post or courier. Okay, letter has two parts, formal letter and informal letter. Formal letter we use for official purposes and informal letter we use for personal or relation things. Okay, so it should be again I'll explaining you. Informal letter are written to friends or close family members instead of business or government. हम यहाँ पर बिजनेस और गवर्नमेंट वाले लेटर्स नहीं ला सकते. ओके, ये किसके लिए होता है? ओनली फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स के लिए होता है. ओके, नाउ वी विल अंडरस्टैंड हाउ टू राइट अ इनफॉर्मल लेटर. ओके, कि इनफॉर्मल लेटर को कैसे लिखा जाता है. सो वी नीड टू लर्न फॉर्मेट ऑफ इनफॉर्मल लेटर. उसके लिए हमें क्या लर्न करना होगा? फॉर्मेट लर्न करना होगा इनफॉर्मल लेटर का. इनफॉर्मेट और इनफॉर्मल लेटर इज सेंडर्स एड्रेस, डेट, सैल्यूटेशन. अब आप मुझे बताइए इसमें क्या नहीं आया है? Two things are not there. First is receiver's address and second is subject. Okay, जब हम फैमिली मेंबर्स को कुछ भेजते हैं लेटर तो वहां हम रिसीवर एड्रेस ऐड नहीं करेंगे और हम सब्जेक्ट ऐड नहीं करेंगे. Okay, two things are not there, right? And then we'll add body of letter. Below it will write complimentary clause and sender's name. I hope this informal letter is clear to you all. If you have any query, you can contact me anytime. Okay.